So anyone who's used Dell computers for a while might have come across this before. This is a almost 2-year-old Inspiron. It's not had a massive amount of use. It's been used docked quite a lot of the time, and about a month ago the battery came up saying not recognised as an official Dell battery, and the battery won't be charged. So clearly now the battery is completely flat, and battery is plugged in but not charging. So I was wondering whether the battery had actually expired. No, it seems that the battery has gone into self-destruct mode. So here is the battery. It's been disassembled. The date code on the battery is 01/2017, but after taking the battery apart, probing the cells, one was a little bit low, the other two were pretty much fully charged. So this battery has discharged in the computer but isn't flat, and now isn't recognised as being a official Dell battery. So the embedded controller in the smart battery appears to have detected that it's time to expire this battery, and it's been expired. This is just coming up to the end of the warranty on the computer, but the battery is only warranted for a year, so that is out of warranty. Dell are asking for £150 to replace the battery. I can get a battery that looks identical, is apparently an official battery, for £50. So I'll try that, see what that looks like, and then set about exploring what's actually going on with this official battery that is now not official. They haven't even got the courage to admit what they've done with it. They're just saying that it has expired. So to be continued.